Well, first step was we came out just to see what the engine light was like, if it was going to turn over, if it was seized. Kind of come out, just checked it, put a spanner on it, and the motor turned over pretty quick. So I checked the electrical system; it all looked pretty corroded. But hooked up a battery, cleaned everything up a bit, and just cranked over straight away. It sort of blew me away how easy it went. So the next step is we need to check out the ignition system. Had a quick play and it sort of looks pretty dead, so we'll just replace it because it'll need to be replaced anyway. Would rather just have some new parts on there, which we'll need. So we'll get that happening, and then we'll just check out the fuel system. Hopefully she should be running pretty quick. The way it's all evolved, it happened a lot faster than I thought it was going to. So it would take much more of an effort to get the engine to spin over, because normally a car that's been sitting that long, the engine would normally be seized or locked up. But at this stage it doesn't seem to be. It seems pretty healthy and pretty free, so it should be pretty good. Oh, no, I just got to tell it. Would it be a drama if I stayed out here? Or?
Nah, mate.
Sounds?
It's pretty close.
Healthy?
You gotta tell me when you're gonna do those things so I can film.
Oh, sorry. I didn't think it was going to do anything. Do you want me to do it again? I'll practice, pretend it's the first time.
No, I think I got it.
I didn't think it was going to wind over. I thought these battery terminals were shit. Do you know how that is a really, really good sign? That it just spins over? Normally just be like, "Ugh." Like I got on the spanner, for it to be that free, the motor is not like that from sitting. Like, this might be another story there. But you know what I mean? Like, they're normally, because motors when they sit, they lock up. But this thing, I'm hoping this is just going to be one of those stories where it's just like, do the absolute bare minimum and everything just will work. It's not a good thing that it's original.
Yeah, true. Nearly did.
Fucking nutter. The shoddy one.
Shotgun shell. Shit.
But that's just old Gimpy. He probably had it when they were legal.
Yeah, true.
So you're just going to leave it at the front? Oh, okay.
I think just for the moment until we work out something.
Okay. Does it need a cover over it?